Hello guys, this is Matibul and welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'll show you my project responsive movie website I have created. So let me show you the demo of my project. So here you can see here is the navbar and here is a search. You can search and the login button. We can log in here. And here is the title of this movie website, Hello Movies, and you can see shadow is really good looking, and here's the slider of this movies. So after a few seconds it keep changing one by one, and here is, or you can by click you can change, so it's clickable also. And here is the thumbnail coming soon, this with a scroll, and down here is the feature movies recently added. So here this also movie area, and this for TV series, this by you can go by country, you can select, and here is also for genres and country by you can select, and you can subscribe here. And this the copyright for Hello Movies. So now let's check the responsive of this website. So let's go ahead. So you can see when the screen size is small, the all this image get reduced automatically, and this also get a response. So let me make a screen size a small more. So let's go. Okay, you can see this one get disappear when you go more, and this image get bigger. Uh, let's go down. You can see this also, this gone down. Now make this little more to see. Okay, so you can see this image also going smaller. So go more and see this image get smaller, and this also getting down. So let's go more. Let's see how much we can go. For mobile, you can this for mobile side. You can see here it's really responsive. So you can see here is the menu appears. And so you let me start from beginning, and let's see, go more. You can see here the menu appears here, this bar. So when you click, you will get this all home, genres, country by you can select here. So if you go more, it will stay same. And click, it will go disappear. So you can see it's really responsive. Or let it like this, when you go more, it will automatically disappear. You can see it's disappear. When you go more, it will show. So let's remove this. So you can see it's really responsive. So if you want to make like this website, so you can, so I will not make this whole website in this video. Later I will make this, so I only just want to show you the demo. So later I will put another video. So if you are new here, you can subscribe my channel, so and hit the bell icon for notification, so you will get when I upload the video, you will get notification. So that's it guys, I will upload soon. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.